The Sirtfood Diet is a new weight loss plan created by two nutritionists based in the UK. It's claimed to help turn on your skinny gene, and it's what Adele attributes to her 2020 physical transformation. What's the Sirtfood Diet? What's the Sirtfood Diet meal plan, and how does it affect your biome? Next.
Your health from the inside out.
You may have heard of the Sirtfood Diet because in 2020, the British pop star Adele is said to have followed the Sirtfood Diet. Now we're all wondering what it is and how it works and why. Research has found that certain foods can help increase the amount of sirtuins, SIRTs, produced by your body. SIRTs are a group of 7 proteins that help regulate a number of bodily functions, including your metabolism, inflammation, and lifespan. It's believed that increasing the number of SIRTs produced will enable you to experience rapid weight loss, all while maintaining muscle mass. What foods can you eat on the Sirtfood Diet? We'll talk about that next, but first, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel. We create YouTube content about your good and natural health from the inside out, from your biome. We approach good health from a holistic position rather than a quick solution. If you're curious about more, please check our other channel videos on a variety of subjects affecting your health. There are 2 phases to the Sirtfood Diet meal plan, and we'll cover both of them and how to do them. But first, let's look at the food you can eat on the Sirtfood Diet. Certain foods, such as the following, may be able to increase your production of SIRTs. Kale, red wine, strawberries, onions. You can have soy, parsley, extra virgin olive oil, dark chocolate, 85% cocoa. Matcha green tea, buckwheat, turmeric, walnuts are all great, as well as arugula, also known as rocket, bird's eye chili, lovage, and medjool dates. Also on the list for eating are red chicory, blueberries, capers, and coffee. But what is the Sirtfood Diet meal plan? The Sirtfood Diet meal plan, 2 phases. To follow the Sirtfood Diet, you'll need to undertake 2 phases over a 3-week period. After this time, include as many SIRT foods as possible to your diet. You can view the list of recommended SIRT foods we just gave, but there are 3 main ingredients that are staples of this diet. They are matcha green tea powder, lovage, and buckwheat. For you Americans, lovage is in the parsley family, but it is different than the parsley you find in supermarkets. It's common in Europe. Another big aspect of the Sirtfood Diet is its green juice, which Sirtfood dieters consume up to 3 times daily. Sirtfood Green Juice Recipe. For this Sirtfood green juice, you will need a juicer, as a blender won't be suitable, plus a kitchen scale to ensure the ingredients are measured correctly. The recipe for this green juice is as follows: 75 grams, 2.5 ounces, kale, 30 grams, 1 ounce, arugula, rocket, 5 grams, parsley, 2 celery sticks, 1 centimeter, half an inch, ginger, half a green apple, half a lemon, half a teaspoon matcha green tea. Juice all of the ingredients above, apart from the green tea powder and lemon. Next, pour the blended ingredients into a glass. Then juice the lemon by hand before stirring both the lemon juice and green tea powder into the rest of the green juice. It's now ready to drink. Phase 1. The first phase will last 7 days, during which you'll need to restrict your calorie intake while drinking plenty of green juice. It's during this phase that you will experience dramatic weight loss results. During the first 3 days, your calorie intake should only be 1,000 calories. You will be allowed 1 daily meal plus 3 juices. On days 4 through 7 of phase 1, you'll be allowed to consume 1,500 calories daily, with 2 meals allowed along with 2 juices. Phase 2. The second phase of the Sirtfood Diet lasts for 2 weeks and is called the maintenance phase, during which you will see steady weight loss. There will be no significant calorie limit during this second phase. However, you must eat 3 meals full of Sirt foods with just 1 green juice daily. After the diet, you are allowed to repeat phases 1 and 2 as often as you want until you reach your weight loss goals. After you've achieved your weight loss goal, continue to add Sirt foods to your diet and drink green juice every day. As with every diet, think of it more as a lifestyle change than a one-time diet. It is the only way to ensure that any weight you lose does not return, and you can own your biome.